What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. Today I'm going to be working on the Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to try to restore the plastic trim on the bumpers and on the fenders. The Jeep Wranglers, they're pretty notorious for the plastic fading really bad, and there's no exception on mine. It's pretty dull. Now, I have applied meguiars trim restorer at one point, and it looked great for about a week or two, and then it slowly started kind of like fading away, and now it's just completely gone due to rain and car wash. So this is the one I originally used, and like I said, it worked great at one point. It looked really good for a couple of weeks, and then the sun here in Texas is super hot in the summer, so it did not last long at all. Like I said, probably lasted a couple months, maybe a couple months, and it just went right back to the before. So I'm gonna try and use this stuff here that I bought on Amazon. Now I've used these carguys cleaner, and the cleaner is amazing. This stuff works really good. But I'm gonna try this product here. Supposedly it's gotten pretty good reviews. It does come with this little applicator, and then it says to buff off with a microfiber towel. So I'm gonna try to use this stuff and see how long it lasts. Alright, so here's the Jeep Wrangler, and as you can tell, the bumper's pretty faded, the fender's faded, and here you can tell kind of where I used to have the meguiars and where it's held up a little bit. So this is what it used to look like with the meguiars, and now it's faded away. On this back side, you can kind of tell also, see how it's kind of fading away. Put it on, see how well it goes on, and I'll let you guys know how well it holds up. Alright, so I'm also prepping the area with their super cleaner that they suggest to get all the dirt and grime and previous existing stuff that you may have on there. So this is the stuff that I recommend, guys. This stuff works really good. This stuff is amazing. I used this to clean my seats on this Jeep Wrangler, which the interior was super nasty when I bought this thing, and this stuff took out some things that I didn't think were even possible. But I'm gonna let this dry, and then we can go ahead and add the restorer and see how good it works. So one thing I'm noticing right off the bat is the carguys is going on a lot smoother. I don't have to use as much product as the meguiars. Meguiars have to use quite a bit of product to get the black that I want to come out, but it's still not coming out as dark and as rich as the carguys plastic restorer. It's coming out a lot shinier, a lot darker, and the meguiars it doesn't look that great, honestly. So we'll see how long they both last. They're both going to be in the same environment, going through the same car washes and all that. So I'll be giving updates on how well they're holding up and which one gives out first and starts to fade out sooner. But yeah, right off the bat, the carguys is it's looking like it's working out better, but we'll see which one actually lasts longer. What do you guys think? I still think this one's a little bit darker, but this one looks like a cleaner look. It just looks like a cleaner finish. No, both of them were not greasy at all, but the Carguys is definitely a little bit darker, but it definitely looks a lot better on the fenders. It's looking nice and dark. It's keeping its color. Maybe it's just a bumper that's kind of defective. I don't know. Because the fenders actually look really nice. They don't look faded at all. So, but yeah, about a month's use. I'm actually going to be updating the video and making it like a 4-part product. I'm probably going to use like 3 different products and then use a heat gun and see which of them works the best. So once this kind of fades away, I'll update you guys on that. So stay tuned, subscribe, like, and we'll see you guys on the next one.